Honey, do you smell that? It smells like smoke.
Oh no, the kitchen. I think I left the stove on. My dress. You glowed my favorite dress.
I was watching TV. I forgot about it.
Honey, I understand why you feel that way, but shutting me out won't solve anything. We need to talk about this.
Sorry is not enough. I need some time alone.
Please don't walk away. We can fix this.
I don't think we can.
I need space.
To my mother's house. I am too upset right now.
Wait, don't touch that. It's not safe.
I will be back. I just need to think.
Are you okay, Dad? You seem a little sad.
I'm all right, sweetie. Just thinking. Wow, that looks amazing. You are doing such a great job working together.
All right, you win. I give up. I don't know what else to tell you, sweetie.
I know it feels tough right now, son, but setbacks happen to everyone.
But I practiced so hard. It's just not fair.
I know it hurts right now, sweetie, but it won't feel this way forever. I promise.
Maybe we shouldn't keep this a secret anymore. You're right. We should tell them.
Let's play a game together. It will help us feel better.
Okay, Dad.
And that's why we always work together. As a team.
Oh my gosh, look! It's starting right now, come on!
Morning, buddy.
What are you eating? It's the crunchy kind. Want some?
I see a chicken, but it is very hard and cold.
Can you cook it?
I need to break the ice first. Careful on the stool now. Slow and steady wins the race.
You're doing great.
Behold, the masterpiece. I present to you the greatest chocolate chip cookies ever baked in this kitchen.
Well, better late than never, I suppose. Now we wait.
Dad, check this out. The purple one just used his super jump.
Oh, wow, that's incredible. He must have leveled up his agility stats. Oh, no! The chicken! Okay, maybe I left it in a little too long.
A little? Dad, it's prehistoric.
It's okay, Tom. I'm right here. We're gonna figure this out together.
Hello? One big pizza, please.
That was delicious.
I know, right? You should have seen your face when you tried the first bite.
Pizza is here.
Thank you very much.
Wow, this is so good.
I know, I can't believe how cheesy it is.
Me too. Oh no. The house is very messy.
I will help you clean.
I dropped my apple. Would you be a dear and grab it for me?
Thanks, kiddo. Just one more minute.
Ah, Dad, come on.
It's my turn.
All right, here you go.
It's okay, Tom. We can rebuild it together. Sometimes I worry that I'm not strong enough.
Maya, you are the bravest person I know. Don't ever forget that.
You are right. I have an idea.
Don't worry about it, buddy. We all make mistakes. The important thing is we learn from them.
Yes. I will say sorry to her.
Wow, look at these flowers. Are they for Mom?
Yes, Tom, they are.
She's gonna love them.
So, how was the movie you saw earlier?
It was amazing, Dad. The main character was so brave and the graphics were incredible.
I'm glad you liked it. Wow, these are beautiful. Thank you.
Happy anniversary, sweetheart. I love you.
Be very careful with that box of seedlings, honey.
Don't worry, Mom. We'll take care of them in the garden.
Everything I do for us. I want you to know that I'm truly sincere about this.
Yes. I will clean the floor every day.
The entryway looks spotless now.
That's because I helped. I did an amazing job, didn't I?
Okay, everyone, remember the plan. We are going to have the best day ever at the park.
It looks wonderful in here, doesn't it?
It really does.
Dinner is ready, fresh from the stove.
Wow, Mom, this looks delicious. I can't wait to try it.
That smells absolutely delicious, son.
It is. This is the best pasta ever.
Wow, this looks so good, Mom. Can we finally eat it now?
Yes, honey, dig in.
Seeing you this happy fills my heart completely. I am so proud of the person you are becoming.
Everything is going to be all right, Maya. I promise.
I believe you, Mom.
Look, I just wanted to stop for a second and tell you how much I appreciate everything you do for this family.
It's moments like these that I cherish the most, honey.
Cheers. I really like this day.
Me too. This is the best feeling.